Everett Shinn was born November 6, 1876, died May 1, 1953. He was an American painter and member of the urban realist Ashcan School. Shinn started as a newspaper illustrator in Philadelphia, demonstrating a rare facility for depicting animated movement, a skill that would, however, soon be eclipsed by photography. Here he worked with William J. Glackens, George Luks, and John Sloan, who became core members of the Ashcan School, led by Robert Henri, which defied official good taste in favor of robust images of real life. Shinn is best known for scenes of disaster or street violence, as well as theatrical subjects, regarding the theater as a place of satisfying illusion. Shinn was the only Ashcan artist who preferred to work in pastels. He was reportedly a model for the protagonist of Theodore Dreiser's novel The Genius.